Welcome back to English class. The learning goal for today is to understand a variety of poetic devices. Analogy is another type of comparison. This time, two things are compared in order for the reader to better understand what is being written about. Personification is a common poetic device and one that we often use in conversation. Personification is when non-human things, like objects or ideas, are given human characteristics.
Example, how to find slope-intercept form, how to find x-intercept, y-intercept, or how to represent a relationship with a simple equation. A linear relation is a relationship that describes a straight line between two things. For example, how can we express the relationship between your phone plan and the cost of your phone plans? The goal of this Desmos is to get the purple ball to hit all of the stars. You must do this by changing the slope or some sort of component of the equation on the left-hand side.
Welcome to Grade 10 Science. We will be beginning with the chemistry unit, and today we will just do a brief introduction into chemistry. Today, we will be focusing on reviewing concepts that you should have learned in your grade 9 academic science course. By now, matter can exist in three states, either solid, liquid, or gas. In the previous video you watched, they mentioned some properties of matter. Matter has two types of properties, physical and chemical. Physical changes usually involve changes in state, which can usually be reversed. Chemical changes involve a chemical reaction occurring. So there is a special way these elements are arranged, which will be discussed in the next lesson. To review the concepts that we've learned, these are the things that are important for you to remember moving forward because we will need them in our following lessons.